Now we'll get to installing the lightweight, whatever.
Go crazy,
Welcome back to another install video. On the last video, we installed the TIG Vision lightweight bumper support. So I'll plug that video up here if you want to go back and check that out. But today we're going to install the BMR lightweight radiator support. And this is for 2005 to 2014 Mustang. And this guy weighs in at 5.5 pounds, they say, which is 11 pounds lighter than the factory one. So we'll confirm that with our scientific scale. And this one is for no sway bar. So they have one that's available to use the sway bar. This one is for no sway bar. And we don't run a sway bar, so we don't need the sway bar mount. So yeah, let's get into installing this guy. All right, we got the car up. Front bumper is still off. It doesn't need to be taken off to put this radiator support on. So here's the factory radiator support. And as I mentioned, I don't have the sway bar, but the sway bar would attach to this. So if you have a sway bar, you'll have to take it off and unbolt it from the factory rad support. So it looks like we've got 4 nuts that we got to take off, two on each side. And then this thing should drop down. I did have to pull that little plastic plug out of there from that splash guard on the side. Actually, your vehicle, if it's factory, would have the splash guard underneath, which I don't have. So that is gone. So you have to take that off if you got that on there. And also there'll be a bar that runs from the rad support to the K member, but you can see we already have a BMR lightweight K member in here. So this isn't the factory K member. So we installed this last year. So yeah, we don't have that bar that also runs from the factory K member up to the rad support. So yeah, we'll get those 4 bolts pulled out and the thing should slide. So we got the rad support off. We got our scientific, very expensive scale here. So we'll get weighing the two. First we'll weigh this. I think it was 25.8, but we'll confirm. 25.8 pounds. So that, set the factory rad support on there. We get 42.6. Now with the BMR lightweight rad support, 31.6. So we'll do a little bit of math and put the weight difference on the screen here. Now we'll get to installing the lightweight, whatever, fuck it, that's good. There you have it, the lightweight BMR rad support all installed. Gives us a lot more room to work in there as well. So definitely worth the like $90 US that it was. So yeah. All right, so that completes the install on the lightweight BMR rad support. So stay tuned to the next video. We got a bunch more to do on the car, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next video.
We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.